We're going to explain how to run apps in the background on your iPhone without using any third-party background or apps. This is important because while some apps naturally continue tasks in the background, others don't, and relying on third-party apps can pose security and privacy risks. Here's how you can maximize your iPhone's built-in background app capabilities. 1. Understanding iOS's background app limitations. iOS is designed to conserve battery and resources. It actively manages which apps can run in the background and for how long. Completely persistent background activity for all apps isn't possible, and trying to force it can negatively impact your phone's performance. 2. Leveraging built-in features. Many apps are designed to work with iOS's background processes. For example, music and podcast apps can continue playing even when you switch to another app. Navigation apps keep running to provide directions, and fitness apps can track your activity. These apps have been specifically designed to request and utilize background processes. 3. Checking app settings. Some apps allow you to customize background activity within their settings. Look for options related to background app refresh, location services, or background audio playback. Enabling these options, if available, usually will allow more background operation within the confines of iOS. Remember that excessive background activity can drain the battery much faster. 4. Using iOS's background app refresh. This feature lets certain apps download new content and updates while they're not actively in use. Go to your iPhone's Settings General Background App Refresh. You can choose to enable it for all apps, individually select apps that are allowed, or completely disable it to save battery. 5. Location services. Apps that require location data, such as weather apps or mapping apps, will need location services enabled to function properly in the background. This feature is controlled in your iPhone's Settings, Privacy, and Security Location Services. Choose what level of location access each app has. 6. Notifications. Many apps use notifications to communicate background information or updates. Even if the app isn't fully running, a notification can alert you to relevant events. Make sure your notification settings within the app itself and in your iPhone's general notification settings are appropriately set. 7. Accepting app permissions. Ensure you've granted the necessary permissions to the apps you want to run in the background. This often includes location access, microphone access, or push notifications. If you've denied a permission, the app's background capabilities might be severely limited. 8. Restarting your phone as a last resort. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches that interfere with background app processes. Remember, while you can improve the likelihood of some background activity, the level of background functionality is ultimately controlled by Apple and the individual app developers. Accepting the system's limitations and using the official features will result in the best user experience without compromising your phone's